Это особый день, наполненный радостью и весельем и, конечно же, уникальными выступлениями, которые приготовили наши первокурсники.
That's my dog. I called them up to house this slut. We gon' fuck her in the back of the bus and fill her nose up full of that dust. 3-6 Mafia, while on tour, whooping these niggas and fucking these whores. In the bathroom about 2 whole hours.
Somebody once told me the world is gonna roll me. I ain't the sharpest tool in the shed. She was looking kind of dumb with her finger and her thumb in the shape of an L on her forehead. Well, the years start coming and they don't stop coming. Fed to the rules and I hit the ground running. Didn't make sense not to live for fun. Your brain gets smart but your head gets dumb. So much to do, so much to see.
With me, chant with me, and if you're good, I'll take you home with me.
Dala tu cuerpo alegría Macarena, que tu cuerpo es para dar la alegría y cosas buenas. Dala tu cuerpo alegría Macarena. Para dar la alegría y cosas buenas. Dala tu cuerpo alegría Macarena. Macarena.
Now don't you worry about my boyfriend, the boy whose name is Vitorino. I don't want him, couldn't stand him, he was no good, so I
got a hangover. Whoa.
Не надо тут ля-ля.
Я заберу тебя
Ля-ля.
и скормлю ее.
Ля-ля. Ля.
Да кто же ты все-таки такой?
Сын гуся, сын панды. Я воин дракона.
Got a little bit trashed last night. I got a little bit wasted. Yeah. I got a little bit mashed last night. I got a little faced. Yeah. Well, I'm gonna roll.
У всех у вас блестящее будущее. С таким напором, с таким талантом, с такой энергетикой. Вы лучшие.